mentor over a teacher in any field is better, because that mentor is doing that thing for a living. So I'm showing students, I'm showing people that want to learn what I do, and that's it. I mean, that's it, and it's really simple because it's what I do, and I think I'm good at it. I don't know. I kind of like it. So because I love my life and I love what I do, it just flows. It just comes out, and that's what makes a mentor better than not better than a teacher, different. There's the student that has to read a book and take a test. And then there's the student that can't take a test, can't read a book and take a test. They have to learn by doing. And that's what this is. You're learning by actually doing.